Look at those, some of these rocks, they're huge. That's part of the engine, I guess. Wish I could get a decent picture. This would be interesting to sketch. I do sketches too. Here's their rail cars. Oh, a place to sit down. Wonderful. Well, there's probably an ore car. They bought this, worked on this, I think in the 70s. Oh, I gotta get a picture of this. Gotta pause you again. Or just set you down. Sorry to set you down. We'll see what, I got a bench here. Turns out the battery on my camera, I didn't check that. It's running out. That's probably a hill of tailings. If you see the green, that's probably either moss or copper. I'm going to set you down again. Now, just to give you an idea, I'll come stand over here to give you an idea of how big this building is. Oh, and look at that. I hope you can see me. I didn't check to see. The rocks are huge. Just amazing. And the birch back in there would make an interesting drawing. Well, I'm gonna head back. Oh, I'm gonna sit for a second. And, oh, I'll have to edit that out. Or leave it in. I'm old. These things happen. Look at the red brick in there and the brown stone. What a neat effect. Artistic wise and structural wise too. Well, I'm gonna go back this way. I know this way. Well, I'm gonna pause this and those rocks are just so interesting. The buildings are artistically so interesting. But I'm going to pause this now. Here's that big engine.